Hi everybody, this is the first time using my drone to do any aerial footage of a campground. This is a follow-on to the review we did of SunKissed Village RV Resort last year. The resort is still nice. This is where we spent our second winter and we really enjoyed it here. So as you can see, it's now April time frame and the place is about a third full, if that. And it's a really nice campground. You see the spaces are very well, nice, they're very spacious sites, and they have pull-through sites as well, so if you don't want to unhook, that's fine. And just it's a very nice park. Got a nice dog area. I did not get a view of that. That was a clubhouse just went by. There are some park model type tiny homes in here. Then in a second you will get to see the swimming pools and the swimming pool, and then the pickleball courts and all that as well. But before we get to that, you get to see at least part of my drone doing a return to home is coming back for my landing. Like I said, this is the first time I've done this with the drone, so it's been pretty good. I'm gonna have to do some additional editing, I'm quite sure, but you can see Alice the Alpine sitting there, and it's a real nice day. All right, so here comes the swimming pool and the pickleball courts off to the left, and then you got shuffleboard, shuffleboard courts, and then also some bocce ball as well. So anyway, hope this helps somebody, and we will see you around a campfire. Bye.